Caramel popcorn clusters are a delicious treat. They are perfect for parties or movie nights. The combination of crunchy popcorn and gooey caramel is simply irresistible. Imagine the delightful crunch of freshly popped corn coated in a rich, buttery caramel sauce. Add in some pecans and pretzels for an extra layer of flavor and texture. This treat is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make at home. Whether you're hosting a gathering or just craving a sweet snack, caramel popcorn clusters are sure to be a hit. So gather your ingredients and let's make some. You'll love how the caramel melts in your mouth while the popcorn provides that satisfying crunch. It's a perfect blend of sweet and salty, making it an all-time favorite. You will need a few simple ingredients for this recipe. Grab some popcorn kernels. You'll also need butter, sugar, corn syrup, and vanilla extract. Don't forget the baking soda. Pop your popcorn kernels. You can use an air popper or the stovetop. Once popped, place the popcorn in a large bowl. Set it aside. Alright, now it's time for section 5, coating the popcorn. This is where the wonder happens, transforming plain popcorn into a delicious caramel-coated treat that everyone will love. First, remove the caramel from the heat. It's important to do this carefully to avoid any burns, as the caramel will be extremely hot. Use oven mitts if necessary. Then stir in some vanilla extract and baking soda. The vanilla extract adds a wonderful aroma and flavor, while the baking soda helps to create a lighter, more airy texture in the caramel. Next, pour the caramel sauce over the popcorn. Make sure to drizzle it evenly so that every piece of popcorn gets a good coating of the sweet, sticky caramel. Be sure to stir gently to coat the popcorn evenly. This step is crucial to ensure that each kernel is covered with caramel, giving you that perfect balance of crunch and sweetness in every bite. Take your time and enjoy the process. Moving on to section 6, crafting the clusters. This is where the wonder happens, and we transform our ingredients into delightful caramel popcorn clusters. Use a spoon or your hands to form clusters. Make sure to press them gently but firmly so they hold their shape. You can make them as big or as small as you like, depending on your preference. Place the clusters on a parchment-lined baking sheet. This will prevent them from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Arrange them with a bit of space in between so they don't merge together. Finally, let them cool and harden. This step is crucial as it allows the caramel to set, giving the clusters their signature crunch. Be patient and let them sit for at least 30 minutes before enjoying. Section 7. Cooling and adding flair. While the clusters cool, you can add some flair. Sprinkle with sea salt or chopped nuts. Let the clusters cool completely. Section 8. Serving and storing. Your caramel popcorn clusters are ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container. They will stay fresh for days. Section 9. Extra tips for delightful clusters. For extra crunch, add pretzels to your clusters. You can also drizzle melted chocolate over the cooled clusters. Section 10. Time to share and enjoy. Caramel popcorn clusters are perfect for sharing. Serve them at your next gathering. Everyone will love them.